Yo, dude, what's that noise?
You know what that noise means.
Wait.
You don't
Yeah.
mean it.
October.
Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul, seal your doom tonight.
Hey, how you guys doing? Just on my way to the Go Fitness offices. A river! Hello, Go Fitness here, back with another YouTube video. Today in this video, pretty much, I'm going to be saying thank you to everybody who's ever subscribed to this channel. Now, I'm not going to actually be uploading anything this week except this video because it's actually my birthday this October the 5th. This Friday, about to turn 15. I'm super psyched for that. Anyway, thank you so much for everyone who subscribed. Before anything, please follow all the social media links. Snapchat, Instagram. I don't have a Twitter because I'm not old. But pretty much thank you everybody that you guys have done anything. Please follow my Discord, which is in the link. Please email me if you want, also in the description. Pretty much thank you everybody who's done anything for this channel. I really am thankful for you. And one final question before I go. Do you guys have actually any video ideas? Because I currently have 2 videos in the works that I'm currently working on right now. But it never hurts to have more ideas. So please comment down below if you have any ideas. I'm definitely going to be checking them out. And thank you so much. As they say in Mexico, adios.